The product advantages of quicklime powder ball press. Let's take a look at it together. The roller of Lifetime Lime powder ball press is made of high hardness material, wear resistant and durable. 2 lime powder ball pressing machine, low energy consumption, simple and convenient maintenance, a multi-purpose machine. 3 quicklime powder ball press material extrusion effect is good. High pelleting rate, high pelleting strength. The roller surface of Sisha Lime powder ball press is made of synthetic manganese steel, which has good use effect and long service life. Wide range of roller diameter selection. Lime powder ball press can also be designed according to customer requirements of roller diameter and machine power. 5 quicklime powder ball pressing machine adopts pipeline transportation to transfer the quicklime powder in the dust collector bin to the storage bin of the equipment. Closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.